So here's a 1969 Mercury Cougar that I owned since 1979 when I did it in a car swap back in the day. And I drove it for a number of years, and it just has never been garaged. It's always sat in the weather. And as you can see, it's taken a hit. And that was because the paint was coming off even when I bought it back in 1979. So I finally took it to a body shop in New Jersey, and they went ahead and did everything. Had to replace some body panels, but did all the body work, did the prime, took it all apart, took all the glass out, took the interior out, primed it, painted it, and then polished it. So I'm going to let you watch these pictures of the process as we go through it, and I'm going to add some music in the background for you to listen to. Please enjoy this video. 1969 Mercury Cougar. And I also have the other dashboard that has the tachometer in it for the XR7. And there's the 351 Windsor engine with factory air conditioning.